In this video, I will take a deep dive into the Geoid CC700 Pro to see if this cycling computer truly lives up to the hype as a flagship killer. When you first unbox this device, the standout feature is undoubtedly the vibrant 2.8-inch color touchscreen. It is incredibly responsive and remains legible even under direct sunlight, which is something many budget units struggle with. Navigating through the menus feels fluid and intuitive, much like using a modern smartphone. One of the biggest upgrades here is the advanced navigation system. It supports full offline mapping and turn-by-turn directions, making it a reliable companion for exploring new trails without worrying about losing your signal. The battery life is equally impressive, offering around 30 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This means you can handle those long weekend bikepacking trips without constantly hunting for a power outlet. Connectivity is seamless since it supports both Bluetooth and ANT+ protocols, allowing you to pair your heart rate monitors, power meters, and speed sensors instantly. The data screens are fully customizable via the dedicated smartphone app, so you can see exactly what matters most to you during your ride.